This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. The air filter is located inside the air filter housing at the left side of the engine compartment. Release the 4 spring clips that secure the 2 halves of the housing together. Then separate the upper half from the lower half. Pull the filter out of the housing. Wipe out the inside of the air filter housing. Place the new filter into the housing, making sure it seats properly. Reassemble the housing halves, then snap the clips into place.